Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple cut crease. To get started, I'm using my soft glam palette. With the shade Orange Soda, I'm going to be using a fluffy brush and placing that all over the crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Burnt Orange and also placing that on my crease. And I'm going to be using a pointed blending brush. And I'm going to be bringing it out a little bit, as you can see, almost like a wing. And then I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush and blending out the edges. On top of that, I'm just going to be using the shade Warm Taupe. And to soften up the edges, I'm going back in with the shade Orange Soda. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Rustic with a smaller blending brush, just so that I could define the crease a little bit. And next, I'm just going to be blending out the edges with the Orange Soda shade. And with a clean blending brush, I'm going to be blending all of that together. Using the NYX eyeshadow base, I'm going to be creating the cut crease. As you can see, I'm just doing like a half cut crease, and then at the end I'm gonna doing like a little wing. To define the crease a little bit more, I'm placing some more Rustic with the smaller blending brush. And blending out the edges with Orange Soda. Now with the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm using the shade Golden Ochre, and I'm patting that on top of the eyeshadow base. And again, I'm defining the crease with more of that Rustic shade, and I'm going to be blending it all out. Next, I'm going to go in with the Artistry Liquid Liner in the shade Brown, and I'm just going to be creating a simple wing eyeliner. And on top of that, I'm going to be placing some Warm Taupe. If you want to clean your liner, just go in with some concealer, how I'm doing right now. For lashes, I'm going to be putting on some mascara so that I could prep them for my lashes. The lashes I'm using are Baddington lashes in the style Monroe 3D Silk. For highlighter, I'm using the Melissa Michelle x Ulta palette, and I'm placing that anywhere I want to highlight. For lips, I'm using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Give Me Mocha. And this is the final look, ladies. It's something pretty simple, just in case you don't like anything too crazy. I really hope you ladies enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.